Next up, UNLRA 3 for Handshake. In this, we need to locate the Intel folder and bring it back. This is a relatively simple mission. It's just a little bit out of the way. Zooming into Tiger Bay all the way on the far east side of the map, you want to head up to the UNLRA container dorms all the way up here. When you come in this sliding gate on the northeast side, head across to this tent over here, and we'll be heading just behind it to this section over here by this little shack. We'll then head all the way straight down here to in between these two white containers, and just over here to the right once more, this first container is where we need to open, and just inside of here you'll find on the table here the UNLRA details folder that you simply need to pick up. This is the intel, and you'll be taking it home from here. So once again, this far one in the corner just about over here between these two containers, in here on the table you'll find exactly what you need. Anyways, that's it for this quick guide. Hopefully you found it useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.